Meaning of General of the Army.
General of the Army.
General of the Army.
General of the Army.
General of the Army. General of the Army is a military rank used in the United States Army and is the highest possible rank. It is equivalent to a 6-star rank and is only conferred during times of war to recognize a general who has made outstanding contributions to the U.S. military. The title was first created in 1944 during World War II, and only 5 officers have held this rank. The General of the Army is considered a ceremonial rank and is not used for day-to-day operational command. It is a prestigious and rare honor that recognizes exceptional leadership and service in the U.S. Army.